Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing rear speakers on a 2015 Subaru Impreza WRX. In this install, we're going to show you how to remove the door panel and factory speaker. Then we'll head over to the bench, show you the parts you'll need to replace your speakers, including the bracket, wiring harness, and the new speaker. Get that all assembled, we'll head back here and get it reinstalled. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, door panel has to come off. 6.5 is here in the lower part of the door. We don't have any tweeter or anything like that. Now you'll have actually a little cover over a screw right here that has a little space so you can get a flathead to pop open that cover, as well as one down here in the handle. Now once those two screws are removed, everything else is held in with clips. So I have a little teeny screwdriver, just gonna pop open that door. Okay, once those are popped open, just a Phillips. Okay, once those two screws are removed, I usually have, there's like, if you get your fingers on the right hand side, you can actually get a grip on the panel and give it a pull. Just do that. Okay, now for the handle itself, it actually just pops on out if you remove the two screws holding it in. It just comes right on out. Two Phillips screws at the base of it. And lastly, we have our door harness. Okay, once you remove the door harness as well as the handle itself, the panel comes on free. Now our factory speaker here is a 6.5. Sits right there. 3 Phillips screws hold it in. Just get those removed. Disconnect your harness here. Okay, there's our speaker all removed. Let's head over to the bench and get our new speaker all prepped. All right, so we're here at the bench, the parts that we're gonna need. First and foremost, the speaker that we've chosen to go with is this NVX V-Series type 6.5 coaxial. Tweeter and mid-range are all in one. Really good quality speaker here. To accommodate the speaker in the door, we need a bracket. This bracket adapter here holds 6.5. Now I had to find these on eBay. It actually took me quite a while to find a really good, decent bracket that would fit the rear doors. So I'll link this down in the description just so you can pick these up yourself. And then finally here, to accommodate the door speaker to the factory wiring harness, we picked up these wiring harness adapters. They are for Toyotas, but they fit great on the Subaru. It's the 72-8104 by Metra. Comes in a pair. So what we're going to do is get our speaker mounted in our bracket here using the screws that the speaker came with, and then we're going to go ahead and get these mounted up to the back of the speaker terminal. Okay. Alright, so we got our speakers ready to go. What we're going to do is now carefully just flip them over. Now our harnesses come through the speaker hole. They're not on the surface of the inner door skin. So nice thing is we don't have to feed our wiring harnesses through this hole. But if we did, so we wouldn't pinch it, these brackets do allow that space, just so you don't have to pinch the wires, which is super nice. Now these are key to fit the sides here, so that's your positive and negative. So we'll put that on as such. Alright, so we got our harnesses hooked up here, but we got them on here. We can head back to the car and get these reinstalled. Alright, so we got a speaker ready to go. Now like I said, since the wiring harness comes through the actual speaker hole, we don't have to run our harnesses through this little gap here. So what we're going to do first thing here is just go ahead and connect our speaker up. Plugs right on in. We'll just tuck that back inside here. And this should line right on up to the same mounting spots as our factory speaker. Just like so. All mounted up. Now let's go ahead, get the door panel back on. Now in your install, it's probably a good idea to make sure you test this to make sure it works. Other than that, it's just assembly in reverse order as disassembly. Okay, that's about it. We got everything reinstalled here. Everything's working great. Got our handle back in, screws reassembled, door panel pop back in place. That's about it for this install. If you're wondering how to do the opposite side of the car, it's the same exact procedure, just a mirror image. If you have any questions, be sure to post a comment below. Be sure to hit that like button if you like what you saw. Be sure to subscribe. We post great content all the time. And we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.